Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Beauty Chemist. Your go-to spot for hot in DIY beauty. Today we are talking about something super exciting. The 3 essential ingredients you absolutely need for effective beauty product formulation. These are the game changers, the secret sauce to skincare success. And guess what? They are simpler than you think. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you're all about creating a home beauty product and love learning about what goes into making them just perfect, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more insider tips and recipes. So let's get right into it. The 3 ingredients we are focusing on today are natural betaine powder, sodium gluconate, and PE 9010 preservative. Why these 3? Because they bring hydration, stability, and safety to your skincare creations, making them not just homemade but professionally crafted. First up, natural betaine powder. This little gem is all about hydration. It helps maintain moisture and is super gentle on the skin, making it perfect for all skin types. Next, we have sodium gluconate. This is your chelating agent, a fancy term for an ingredient that helps protect and maintain the stability of your product. It ensures that all the goodness you put into your formulation stays effective for long. And lastly, PE 9010 preservative. Safety first, right? These preservatives keeps your homemade beauty products safe from bacteria and mold and yeast, ensuring they are just as fresh the 10th time you use them as they were the first. Now let's put this ingredient to use with a simple recipe. DIY Hydrating Serum recipe. Natural betaine powder 2 grams, sodium gluconate 0.1 gram, PE 9010 preservative 1 gram, distilled water 96.9 gram. Start by dissolving the natural betaine powder and sodium gluconate in distilled water. These two will make sure your serum is not just hydrating but also stays effective and stable over time. Once fully dissolved, add the PE 9010 preservative. This will ensure your serums remain safe to use, free from any unwanted bacteria or mold and yeast. Mix everything well, and there you have it, your very own DIY Hydrating Serum. Professional grade and packed with skin-loving goodness. If you're wondering where to get these essential ingredients, head over to pureblendnaturals.com. They have everything you need to get started on your DIY journey, from natural ingredients to expert advice. Creating effective beauty products at home is easier than you think, especially when you have the right ingredients. These 3 essentials are a great foundation for any formulation, ensuring your skincare is not just homemade but truly effective and safe. So give it a try, experiment with this ingredient, and share your creations with us in the comment below. I love seeing what you come up with. Don't forget to subscribe to the Green Beauty Chemist for more recipes, formulation tips, and all the beauty knowledge you could ask for. Together we're making beauty better, one ingredient at a time. Thanks for watching everyone. Keep mixing, keep creating, and keep enjoying the process. Until next time, stay